Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to share with you a new kitchen, I don't know if you can call it an appliance because it's not electric, but it's what I use to make coffee. So you may remember I have made a lot of drinks with my French press from college. Alright, so now that I have foamed the milk or the lait, I'm going to pour a little bit over the top. Alright, and that's how you make cafe au lait with a French press. Going to take my coffee and I'm going to slowly pour it down the side, real slow and carefully. And this is where the science, where the magic happens. Because of the different densities of the liquid and the foam, the coffee goes in the middle. Isn't that amazing? And that is how you make a macchiato. Well, unfortunately, my French press from college was broken. And I had to replace it. So, this is the replacement right here. So, how have I been making coffee while I waited for it to be delivered? Let me show you. Alright, so here is how I've been making my coffee. So I've been filling this up with coffee. I'm doing more than I normally do because we have guests for breakfast today. And then I boil my water so you can hear. It's real cooking here. Alright. Ooh. Whew. I cooked it on too high. And the handle is hot. Okay, so I'm going to pour this over the wet grounds. And we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Alright. Covering it helps to keep the heat in. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. Ooh, got a little condensation going on. So let me go ahead and show you what I do next. So I'm taking a strainer. Now if I had coffee, my coffee was really finely ground because I used this espresso ground coffee. So I'm going to have to use a paper towel. Now if you have a finer strainer, wouldn't need the paper towel, but in my case I did. Or if I used a more coarsely ground coffee. Alright. So let me go ahead and do this. See, that's the only thing. I get messy when I do this. Alright, so I put a little sugar in the cup and then just fill it up like you normally would. I know my brother likes his coffee sweet. So you stir it up. like so. And then add a little canned milk. So canned milk just kind of gives it a nice richness. You know, you don't need a lot to add the flavor. Alright, so now I'm going to do the cold coffee. So I'm going to fill this up about halfway with the coffee. Well, a little bit less than half. Mix that sugar up with it. Now, let me add a little more coffee. I like more coffee than milk in my iced coffee. Alright, now let me get the ice cubes. Alright, let me go ahead and put this in here. So the spoon kind of helps to regulate the temperature changes. I always like an odd amount of ice cubes. I don't know why. Alright, so then we add a little milk on the top. And there's our iced coffee. Alright. So, let's see what this baby looks like. So, I have a nice booklet. Kitchen Supreme. Have an experience, not just a drink. Alright. So, it shows you how to clean it, how to use it. You know, the one thing about my one from college, I could foam milk in it. I wonder if I can do the same with this one. Alright. Alright, so there is the French press itself. That's beautiful. There's the filter. Oh, it feels very solid. I'm impressed. Alright, never had a French press this big. The one I had was about the quarters of this, quarter size of this. Alright, so we have a book of flavors. Espresso, cappuccino, cafe latte, satin Paris, vegan nut milk, raspberry coffee frappe, coffee banana cooler. Then they have things about tea. Ooh, and then they have the pictures right here. I want to learn how to do that. That is so cool. Now I know how to do that. It's like, I'm not sure if that's a macchiato or a latte, but yeah, I've shown you guys how to do that before. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, a scoop to measure. Oh, it's a spoon. Ooh, it looks like the spoon. Let me show you. It sits on the edge of a cup. That's so cool. And then there's another filter or two. There's a really fine filter. Oh, so you can switch out the filters? Alright, so that appears to be what's it in the box. So I can't wait to read these instructions. So that is my new coffee French press. I can't wait to show you some recipes from the book. Well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time. Iced coffee to go. So I took a olive jar and I made it a to-go jar. So I make my tea or my coffee. This is actually chai tea. And I put ice in it and it's ready to go. No more Starbucks. Saves me some serious money.